Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your number of subscribers in your YouTube channel. All you have to do is go to YouTube Studio Beta and you have to select Creator Studio Classic. You can choose this one, Submit. And you have to come to your channel and Advanced, so you can choose display the number of people subscribed to my channel, or you can choose do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So I choose this one because I don't want to see people see my number of subscriptions. So all you have to do is save. It says your changes were saved. That's it, and you have to go to your home page. So when you go to your YouTube channel and you see people will not have access to number of subscribers, people will not be able to see your subscribers. All they can see is subscribe. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please press the like button, and if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.